Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all of you here for the virtual session of science. So let us see what are we going to learn in this session. I hope you all are taking down all the important points discussed in the sessions so that you stay connected with the chapter flow, to stay connected with the concepts which you are learning. These are all extremely important concepts and the new concepts for you all introduced for you all children. So please revisit concepts. Please write in your notebook so that you know what exactly going on in the chapter. So let us see what are we learning. We'll continue with the chapter light, shadows and reflections, part 5. Here you can see how shadow is being casted, and you have learned in the previous session what is reflection, what kind of reflection can happen on a smooth surface, on a rough surface. You have seen how images are formed in the mirror when you see yourself, and the color of the image you can see because images are colorful. Very good example is you dress up during party and all that, and you see you wear colorful dress, and that helps you to dress up well, children, isn't it? All that you have learned in the previous session. So let us see what are we going to learn more about this in this session. We are going to learn some very important and interesting phenomenon occurs when an object forms an image by reflection. This is something all of us must have noticed while seeing ourselves in the mirror. When we lift our right hand, the image in the mirror appears to lift its left hand. This seeming left right reversal is called lateral inversion. This is something extremely interesting and important. So you all know the image form in the mirror when you see yourself, but what happens to the image when you actually see? You must have noticed this. When you lift your right hand side, the image shows left hand side. That means the image is laterally inverted. That means it shows lateral inversion. This is a very important phenomenon of the image formed by reflection, and a very good example is the image formed in the mirror. Please take down, this is extremely important. So plane mirrors and the images formed by them. Let us have some detail about this. We are learning about mirrors, and the mirror which we have at home is plane mirror. So let us see what kind of images they form. A plane mirror changes the direction of light that falls on it. So this is what a plane mirror will do. Then lateral inversion will happen. Lateral inversion, we have learned just now, right side of the object appears as left side in the image formed by plane mirror. So the plane mirror which you have at home, it is your image form will be laterally inverted. Any object you keep in front of the mirror will show lateral inversion. Left become right and right becomes left in the image. So example, if you show a right hand, image in the mirror will show as left hand, which we have learned this. So this is called lateral inversion. Image formation by plane mirror. We are able to see images through a mirror. Image formed by plane mirror, that is a flat mirror, has the following features. Since we all have that plain flat mirror at home, so what are the features? Reflected image retains the color of the object. You all know the color of the object will not change. It will look as it is, whatever will be the color. An image is always erect but laterally inverted. We always see ourselves standing erect in the same position or sitting, whatever position we are not inverted. We are not upside down. We are just shown erect. Any object in front of the mirror you keep, and you see the image is always erect but laterally inverted. That means left become right, right becomes left. That is lateral inversion, and not upside down. That you have to understand very clearly, children. I hope this is very clear with you all. You can see this lateral inversion by a plane mirror. If you write curve, this is a very good example. You write curve and you see curve in the mirror. You see the mirror in the middle. So it is laterally inverted. This is the way it will be formed. So like ambulance, you must have seen in the film, in the television, must have seen somewhere in the screen. You see the word is laterally inverted, ambulance. So in most of the cases, if you have the word ambulance written laterally inverted on the ambulance, so in the television it will show a proper correct word ambulance. But if you have written ambulance in a proper order, AMBULANCE, the order will be reversed when you see in the mirror, or if you film the ambulance in a camera, it will be laterally inverted. This is a very good example, ambulance, and the letter K, you can see it is laterally inverted over here by a plane mirror. So an image is different from a shadow. You have learned about the shadow, how the shadow is formed, and you have learned the criteria for the shadow to be formed. You have very important criteria for shadows to be formed, and you have seen the characteristic of the images which is formed in the mirror. So we need to understand the differences between them. Some of the differences between the image and between an image and a shadow are given in the table below. So here is a table 13.1 will give you the comparison between the image and the shadow. What are the differences between them? Please take down this table. So let us see the differences between them. Image has the color of the object. You see yourself in the mirror, you wear colorful clothes, you see any colorful object, it will remain that same color. But shadow, it is always black regardless of the color of the object. So whatever color of the object, the shadow we will cast always will be dark. Next point, image gives the detail as well as the outline of the object. So it will give you all the details, your physical features, your how you dress up, every detail is covered in the image, whereas shadow gives only the outline of the object. Images here goes lateral inversion, that is left right reversal. As you have seen the letter K laterally inverted. Ambulance also, if you write or any letter you write and you see the image of the letter in front of the mirror, the image will be formed, will be laterally inverted. So it always shows lateral inversion. The image will be always laterally inverted, whereas shadow does not undergo lateral inversion. So it will be the same, but it will be totally dark and black. I hope these are the very important 3 points of differences between the image and the shadow of an object. Do write this table, make the table and write the point of comparison between the image and the shadow. I hope all these 3 points of differences are very clear with you all. So here we come to an end of the session, children. I hope the concepts are very clear. Do revisit concepts. Please do write all the concepts in your notebook. Thank you, children, and have a great day.